Hi, new poem. It can be rather upsetting for some people. So if you get upset, then think that, believe that. It's written for someone you hate. Maybe Hitler, maybe Stalin, maybe Mao, whatever. So, here's the poem. Religions and Ideologies. The title is Religions and Ideologies. We are seeing the rise of another conqueror. We are seeing the rise of another conqueror, another robber baron. We are seeing the rise of another conqueror, another robber baron. And this can be said truthfully. And this can be said truthfully at many points in place and time. Not just now, not just here, not just what I suffer now and here from the hands of mine and the other. We are seeing the rise of another conqueror, another robber baron. We can be sure that soon it will be a religion of the devout, a cherished ideology of many, today and centuries from now. Today and centuries from now, children will be bullied to follow this asshole's diktats, taking away their innocence and turning them into monsters who will, in turn, kill others directly and indirectly, men and animals, beings and habitats, and rape their own women and bully their own children in the name of their holy religion or holy ideology or holy asshole. Even their children who will profess their hate for and disbelief in that religion will harass those that love them by throwing the corrosive dregs of that holy way, for they will know no other way, and in their hubris not look for one. No one will bother to ever practice real love and compassion and truth, or take the trouble to get to the real reality until comprehensively burnt by the monster's minstrels. Until comprehensively burnt by the monster's minstrels, we are seeing the rise of another conqueror, another robber baron.